Hi guys, in today's video we are going to be looking at how we can naturally throw more light to dark areas on skin in Adobe Photoshop. This is Twisted Creative. I like to be my name. If it's your first time on this channel, please do me a favor. Do me a favor by hitting that subscribe button. Not only by hitting that subscribe button, also ring that notification bell so that you don't miss any of the next video. Without wasting much time, let's get into it. So this is the image we are going to be using, and if you take a look at it, you notice that we have some dark areas which are to be corrected. So we use our Ctrl J to duplicate the image. Then in between we have to select the bottom one and add an empty layer in between both of them. Then select the top one and go to your filter and convert to smart filter, then hit OK. Go to filter, order, then high pass. Then from here you can choose the value of, let's say, between 4 and 5 should be okay. Let's say 5 should be okay. 4.9 or 4.8 is okay. Just hit OK. Then go to your blend mode and choose soft light. You have to go to your eyedropper tool, sample size, and make sure it's not on point sample. Let it be on 5.5 average pixel. Then on the sample, let it sample from all layers. Pick up your brush tool, select the empty layer, hold your Alt to sample. If you hold your Alt like this, notice we have the eyedropper tool out to sample the color which we want to use in correcting the dark areas. What color is going to be our sample for us to correct this area? Definitely is going to be brighter color, brighter skin. So we are going to be using the brighter area so as to brighten this area to make it look uniform. So we have to hold down our Alt and sample on this bright area. The essence of sampling here is that we have to copy a particular color or tone to balance the dark areas, which is we are supposed to copy from here. Like if we hold down our Alt now, you notice eyedropper tool appear, which is color picker. You use it to pick a particular color, sample a particular color to fill up the dark areas. Take a look at this area. This foreground color and background color here, we have brown at the bottom, then white at the top, but what we are going to be using is supposed to be at the top. So if we hold our Alt now and sample here, you notice we have a very dark brown here, which is not what we want. We need something brighter than this dark that we sampled, which is bringing out this dark brown here. So we have to sample a brighter area. I recommend you sample a bright or brightest area, but not a washed out area. Then you have to sample on the bright area. Then you notice we have a brighter skin tone here on the foreground color. Then you can use it to start clicking on those dark areas. Then make sure your opacity and flow is low. I recommend you using 5, but due to tutorial sake and time sake, I have to use 10 so that to make it a little bit faster, but it's going to be more advantage for you to get it slow than to get it fast. Let me say 10 should be okay. Let's try 10 for opacity, then 10 for flow, then hit OK. Then you can go in there and start clicking and clicking. The more you click, the brighter it becomes. You can also change your sample at any point in time. You can take any sample around and continue. Take any sample and continue. So that's it. Let's see what we did here and see if it has effect on what we are doing. This is before, this is after, this is before, this is after. It's subtle, very soft. Okay, let's see and continue clicking to make it even more brighter. You can take a sample again here and continue. You can click as much as you can, but immediately you notice it's getting brighter than the rest part of the skin, you stop. Or you don't allow it to get brighter than the rest part of the skin. Just once it's balanced with the rest part of the skin, you stop. So as you can see we are doing it, and at the same time the skin texture is there. It's not destroying the skin texture. Okay, that's a nice way. It's a very good way to remove dark spots. Then we'll go to this area. Can also sample again if you wish. You can increase your brush and reduce it. Before I forget, make sure you are using soft round brush. Make sure your hardness should not be like this. Your hardness should be down. That is soft round brush. So I believe we are done. It's just like nothing has happened, but let's just see the before and after and see how it looks. I noticed that nothing has been done somewhere around here. Let's finish it up and reduce. Let's take a sample and from the bright area and click on this area. Let's zoom in and see. This is before, this is after, this is before, this is after. Let's see here. Let's see here, and let's take a sample again here and do here. I think we are done. Let's just see before and after. This is before, this is after, this is before, this is after. If you take a very close look at it, you notice that the textures are still intact. That makes it a unique way you can brighten dark areas in Adobe Photoshop. I believe that is it for today. If you find it interesting, helpful, and useful, please hit that like button. Hit that like button and don't forget to drop a comment telling us the area it has helped, the area it has not, and the area we need to improve on. Like I said earlier, if you are new on this channel, please do me a favor. Do me a favor by hitting that subscribe button. Not only by hitting that subscribe button, also ring that notification bell so that you don't miss any of the next video. Thanks for watching today's video. Creative Pro, keep on creating. Please stay creative. Continue creating. See you in the next video. Bye for now.